Hey kids, let's do science with Peter! Peter has a volcano on the table today. Add some baking soda, watch the bubbles play. Boom, 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 volcano. Lava starts to flow. Pop, pop, bubbles. Science time, let's go. Boom, volcano. Red lava everywhere. Pop, pop, bubbles. Science is cool? Yeah! Science is fun! Let's experience!
Today we are making a volcano experiment. Wow, real volcanoes erupt like this.
First, we add baking soda. And this will make our lava red. Now comes the exciting part.
Pour the vinegar. Wow! It's working! Look at it go! Wow! Look! It's starting to bubble! It's so cool! It keeps climbing! I made a real volcano! What? Whoa! The volcano erupted! It's spilling everywhere! This is so awesome! Look at it go! It's like real lava! I could watch this all day! It looks like real lava! So cool! Science experiments are fun!